Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, viewers. So, in this session, we are planning to introduce you how to create a menu interface, right? So, this lesson is our today's lesson. It is 50th lesson. So, creating a menu interface. It's a common sheet which every user should be given as a startup menu. So we make a sheet for it, right? And this year we give it a name, insert a sheet and give it a name, right? And then plot some buttons like this. You can insert shapes and other means symbols can be used a text box, or we can use any sort of objects and then attach it to the macro filter, right? So if you inserted it, and then in the developers tab, you can change, you can come to the design mode, so that when you double click it, this way you can enable the design code so that you can make changes and you can view code of it, right? You can add a code in it. For example, you write MSG box, whatever the instruction you are going to write, these are going to be executed as soon as you click on it. Okay, so let's say this is an employee master to be displayed, for example. Sorry, employee master entry. So data entry. Sorry. Yeah. Employee master data entry, and then you close the quote and write. Okay. So when you click on it, it will not execute unless you go to the develop code and remove this, right? So that now, as soon as you click it, whatever is written, by master. If you want to make the correction and what you have written, you have to go to developer code, bring it in this form in which you can make editing. So, in here, you go and to the view code, and here you write employee master data entry. Okay. Similarly, if you want to do this for another, this is product master data entry. Okay, you will write view code. You will go to the view code and you copy it like this, and this will be product master data entry. Okay. This is supplier master. Go to the view code. Put Control V here and use a supplier master data entry. So instead of this message, there can be whole series of the program or code or on an object, the programming sub or subroutine can be addressed here, or call a function, whatever. So this is going to be executed when you click it, when you click this button, right? So this is the supplier master. Right? If you click it, it's not executing, means you are in a design mode. So you have to exit from the design mode, and then you can click on it. Yeah, it is going to execute supplier master data entry, right? So this is how you make a common interface, and then the if you have the admin privileges as the AMJ has already got, so it should appear in here with one edit. Okay, so and this should be given to all the users so that everyone enjoys this privileges. Everyone can have the access to the interface, right? So this is how. So in case you have just added a sheet interface and you have not inserted it, I have deleted it as if you have not yet inserted it into the table. So but you have inserted the sheet and arrange the buttons and written the code. Now to make it available, you have to click in here. And if you enter it, and you will see that interface will appear here with no permission to anybody. So let's make this available to all the users, and this how you say. Now, just to test it, whether all the other users, including the AMJ, have got the access to the interface, what we will do, we will go to run it. Either we close this file and reopen it, or while it is already open, you can go to the view code. In the view code, you have this object, this open, and run it. Okay, so this is going to say, just check Gulzar. Yeah, password is Gulzar 123. You say login. So it is going to have all the things which is and the interface. Yeah, you can go to employee master. You can do the data entry for the product master. You can do the data entry for the supplier master, right? This is how you are using it to display the interface for all the users. I hope you enjoyed it. In the next video, we will further make the enhancement. Thank you.